Hi. Today we are going to learn how to deploy your bot on Instagram. Instagram as a channel has a list of prerequisites that the Instagram page of business account owner has to complete in order to deploy the bot. Log in to your Instagram page and go to Edit Profile. If your account is personal, you will be able to see an option switch to Professional account. Select that option and click on Continue. If not, then your account is already set as Professional. Select the category that best describes your brand. Select Business here and click on Next. Now you need to connect your Instagram page to a Facebook page. Click on Login to Facebook and select a Facebook page that you wish to link with and proceed. Now, go to Settings, Privacy, scroll down and select Messages. Switch on the toggle for Allow access to messages. On the Floatchat portal, select your bot and go to Configure Deployment and select Instagram. As the steps mentioned in the checklist are completed, you can tick and click on Continue Deployment. Sign into your Facebook account and select the page and click on Connect. Once your bot is connected, you can send a DM and check the response on Instagram. With Floatchat, you can respond to comments and mentions as well. Go to Settings and switch on the toggle for actions you want to automate if a user mentions your page on a story. The bot can trigger a path and can send that as a DM to the user. Against the mention, the bot can send a reply to users replying to your stories. For multiple stories, the bot can capture story captions and the reply can be configured based on that particular story. It can be a path or FAQ. A similar setup can be done for post comments. Here the bot can capture the post caption for users mentioning the page. On some other posts, you can configure a reply or add hooks, enable your settings as required and save changes.